Yo, good day to all of you. So, this is my first YouTube video to share with you. In any case, even if you are new to me on YouTube, on my Facebook page, The Mysterious Guide, some of you already know me, no doubt. So, today we are going to talk about 5 things that can blow your mind and make you curious. I already written about one of these things on my The Mysterious Guide page, but I thought I'd explain it further because of some of the users' ignorance. If I consider 5 things I am going to talk about today, first topic is Pale of Blue, the second topic is the Golden Record, the third topic is Olympus Mountain, the fourth topic is about Perseus Galaxy Cluster, and finally, as the fifth topic, let's talk about Venera 13 project.
The Pale of Blue.
The blue dot you see is the Earth and was taken by the Voyager 1 at a distance of 6 billion kilometers from the Earth. In brief, the Voyager program is an American scientific program that employs two robotic interstellar probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. They were launched in 1977 to take advantages of favorable alignment of Jupiter and Saturn to fly near them while collecting data for transmission back to Earth. After launch, the decision was taken to send Voyager 2 near Uranus and Neptune to collect data for transmission back to Earth. So, however, the Voyager program discoveries during the primary phase of its mission, including new close-up color photos of the major planets, were regularly documented by print and electronic media outlets. Among the best known of these is an image of the Earth as the Pale of Blue dot, taken in 1990 by Voyager 1 and popularized by Carl Sagan. In this regard, I would like to present to you a description of Mr. Carl Sagan's about Pale of Blue. I got these details from the Planetary Society webpage. Listen to this carefully, so let's move forward.
The following excerpt from Carl Sagan's book Pale Blue Dot was inspired by an image taken at Sagan's suggestion by Voyager 1 on the 14th of February 1990. As the spacecraft was departing our planetary neighborhood for the fringes of the solar system, it turned it around for one last look at its home planet. Voyager 1 was about 6.4 billion kilometers per billion miles away and approximately 30 degrees above the ecliptic plane when it captured this portrait of our world. Caught in the center of scattered light rays, a result of taking the picture so close to the sun, Earth appears as a tiny point of light, a crescent only 0.1 pixel in size. Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. On it, everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. The aggregate of our joy and suffering, thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization, every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, hopeful child, inventor and explorer, every teacher of morals, every corrupt politician, every superstar, every supreme leader, Every saint and sinner in the history of our species live there, on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. The Earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena. Think of the rivers of blood spilled by all those generals and emperors so that, in glory and triumph, they could become the momentary masters of a fraction of a dot. Think of the endless cruelties visited by the inhabitants of one corner of this pixel on the scarcely distinguishable inhabitants of some other corner. How frequent their misunderstandings, how eager they are to kill one another, how fervent their hatreds. Posturings, our imagined self, importance, the delusion that we have some privileged position in the universe, are challenged by this point of pale light. Our planet is a lonely speck in the great enveloping cosmic dark. In our obscurity, in all this vastness, there is no hint that help will come from elsewhere to save us from ourselves. The Earth is the only world known so far to harbor life. There is nowhere else, at least in the near future, to which our species could migrate. Visit, yes. Settle, not yet. Like it or not, for the moment, Earth is where we make our stand. It has been said that astronomy is a humbling and character-building experience. There is perhaps no better demonstration of the folly of human conceits than this distant image of our tiny world. To me, it underscores our responsibility to deal more kindly with one another and to preserve and cherish the pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known.